Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. Now I will show you and tell you how you can download videos from TikTok without watermarks. Write whether my solution helped you. Did you get this way? If you have any questions, let me know below in the comments, and I will be sure to answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to TikTok. Further, find any video that we want to download without watermarks. Click. There are likes, comments. We click share, copy link, exit. We go to whatever browser we have on our phone, tablet, or laptop. And then we need to find a site called Snaptic.app. And then here in the search box, we need to insert a link to our video that you copied. Then click download. Here, we scroll down to the bottom. Here our video appears, and once again click download. After that, we're going to download to our library here. Clicking Downloads. Here we have the video. Now it's downloaded. We can save it to the gallery. Click Save Video. Then exit. Go back to the gallery, and as you can see, we have downloaded the video without any watermarks. That's how easy it is to do. Let me know if my solution helped you. Did it work for you? And if you have any questions, write in the comments. I will make sure to read. I will answer. Thank you very much for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Give me likes. Goodbye.